Fighter, pwede bang mag-breakdown?
Hindi! Break time lang! Lucky Di Pansit Canton! Sarapines! Oh, miyambag na ako
Sumasaya ang break time.
Sabay-sabay sa good vibes.
New and improved Coffee Co Blanca, creamy as ever with New Zealand milk, and mas pinasarap with premium coffee beans. Creamy as sarap na, nakaka-good vibes para ready for the day.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Sabay-sabay Coffee Co Blanca. Creamy at sarap, feel ng good vibes sa Coffee Co Blanca.
Creamy as sarap ng good vibes para ready for the day sa Coffee Co Blanca.
Crown was just the beginning. I'm made to be more. And to go further, my hair needs more.
Cream Silk Triple Keratin with 30 times more keratin serum for 2 times straighter, smoother, silkier hair.
Me and my hair, always ready for the next. Cream Silk.
Nice game!
Amoy asin, germs yan. Choose new and upgraded Safeguard with complete 10 germ protection. Unlike another soap, it protects from 10 harmful germs. Goodbye germs! Goodbye amoy asin!
Gentle Care, say gamitin every day. Gentle Care, para fresh every day. Ano mo pinagdadaanan? Our Gentle Care for every Filipina.
Sa egg, di na sila excited. Imbes na asin, masarapin with Maggi Magic Sarap. Ito ang all-in-one sangkap na pampasarap. Kaya ang simpleng itlog, nagiging magic clog. Exciting tuloy ang kain. Subukan nyo na.
Ma, anong ulam? Tofu sisig. With mayo.
Pwede sa ulam yan? Pwede. With Lady's Choice. With 100% far-fresh eggs to make ulam real creamy. Real sarap.
Uy, pwede nga.
Lady's Choice.
The Asian Development Tour, presented by Bingo Plus, brings you the Bingo Plus ADT Philippine Open, happening from June 17 to 20 at the prestigious Luisita Golf and Country Club in Gambling for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Visit responsible gaming at tagcore.ph.